Yeah. There you go, people. It's on. Yeah. See that up there? Give thanks and blessings for the liberty my ancestors. That's what you call the right of foot, people. Da, 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 da. Oh, good life. Some of them by them. Right of foot.
Look at that.
Right of foot.
Beautiful.
And the one, yeah.
Right there.
Right of foot you call that.
Look at that.
Leave these for now.
This brother at work.
Eh? What is
I
that?
said, this brother at work. This is Randy, living the Jamaican good life.
Hey.
Right in the farm.
Yeah, we call it right of foot.
Right of foot.
That is it. For them to Jamaica. That is it. So we just finding right of foot.
Alright, cut.
Alright, now we'll go for the coconut then. Time to go for the coconut then. We have the bag. Ooh, boy. Mama, take this off of me. Hey, but we have to cut up the cane them. We cut up the cane them another day. I can't take this anymore. It's getting dark to see. I feel like I'm in the door. I say, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Yeah. We're going to cut some cane so we can plant. Look at me. The river run. A river run its true. Jaja. Knock, knocking on heaven's door. Hey. You know what? My shit there. It seems like I'm knocking on heaven's door right now. Take out the cane, got surgery. Yeah. River come down. Nice. Wow. More rain I go come. Water go run. Alright. Alright, I go forward. So now I go pick up the coconut. Hey, 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 hey. Whoa. And now. I heard him say, So every day, when I say every day we do this, every day. We have to come to the farm every day. All right. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I have to go. Hey! Watch yourself. We take half, we leave half. That's how we do it. Never take everything, but we take half, we leave half. Yes, I. Alright, me sooner or later. Later will be greater. Yes, people around right now upon the pick up the car from the mechanic. We got time for the road. So basically it's time to make the liberation business card for the people them and start the liberation, free them youth their mind and educate them on certain levels. So money school I go launch, teach them some things and you know I go and here is a tragic thing. Warrior thing. Yeah. So it's time to go up on the road again. Mountains. Yeah. I can see I'm over here.
What said, hey, make go with my
I
restaurant?
was working hotel all my life. So
Okay.
just resign and just go on business. Just start a business.
When you told your wife first, what did she say?
She's working at the data entry.
Okay.
So
More to know how it happened. You come home one day and say, I'm done with this.
No. True, we just got like a catering. Somebody, if you can make some money, and just resign. And again, I want 2,000 more than Window. Then we'll start on business. Rough scenario, it was a hard start first, we were kind of rocky.
Rocky.
Just about that,
So you made your name through the seasoning natural.
not sure. Anybody taste my food, always come back. Then not a catering, you know. Jacko, not a catering. When you come, you always come back.
Okay.
Always come back.
So even if somebody want to have a wedding in MoBay, them can call on you.
Call Jacko.
Give them the number.
Wedding,
Yeah, man. The number,
wedding or funerals,
party.
party.
The number is 952 2614 or 476 50 or 55
57.
57, I'm sorry. 57, 85.
So you two couples, everybody in MoBay knows say Uno.
Yeah, man, Jacko, yeah, man.
So me actually,
I was born over this town here.
you were born here. So you are the real, how many years? How old are you?
I'm not the age.
So did you meet her here?
Yeah, man, we meet at the church.
Okay, so you guys are good church people.
Yeah, we're married 31 years now.
31 years. Celebrating MoBay. So this is MoBay. This is the root.
Montego Bay.
This is the
35
root.
Union Street.
This is the root.
I started at 4 noon lane. And I was at the tax office about 7 years. I was at site at hospital, free zone, couple years as well. And what do I do?
32 Union
I'm
Street.
32 years.
From there to here.
Wow. I've been trying to find the root of this place. So when it comes to food, culture, born and grow, this. So if you say Jacko's to anybody in MoBay,
Anyway, I know me, yeah, number one, we saw our fashion in the garment factory first. Then we have a condition in the data entry. And we have a condition in the tax office.
so all the fans, all the people abroad, when they hear the name MoBay right now,
You know, a lot of people go work with me. I have a guy, we just, he's in Jersey. He worked with me. I've got a guy in Canada, he's working with me. He's a chef now. Love it.
wow.
Yeah, I think we have work with me and we got to do one business.
So I'm glad I met you. The people who are watching this video,
What's your name?
I'm Randy Pottinger from Jamaica Good Life. What we try to do is spotlight the positive about Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Right now in abroad, if you say Montego Bay people, I'm not go
You know.
as a crime.
The crab. And the crab is from the one, but you are really small, so you can show.
Okay,
Yeah, man, you're small, so.
so every time something happens, everybody knew about it.
Yeah, everything. And it's so, you know that this crime in Jamaica right now, bad minded, comes from the car. They go together. The guy scam. The money might come, you go at the money. You keep me for the money. Now your money, keep the money now. Money might come and you take off. You say, shoot. Kill the mother. Kill the father. Brother. So I'm not stranger. They are both together. They just come together. Name it. But to me, bad man. That's not good. No stranger.
No stranger not getting up violence and killing. No.
They live here. They say they live in Union. Do Union Street. The barn here they call here. Because of the
So if me not have nothing in a Union Street, I'm just a regular guy, I'm safe.
You're safe. Yes.
But the minute you start make a holy,
I'm normally start make a hole. And as who don't kill you, I won't know you. Who will go and trouble you. So most again, and you say go back to the mall and to the mall. Then up at the funeral. The Brickman, Mama, I say mall and go there and look at the stone then.
yeah.
The barn 2000, 2001, 2003, 2000. I don't almost hundreds people. Young people. One time I have your parents, your children were parents, no other way around. Parents were children.
Oh, all right. So we have a program called Money School. Because I travel to Jamaica and help the farmers, the bad man, never stay on the farm in Montego. Now we come to MoBay at the seaside. We're building a camp there to invite the gangsters them.
That's over by
Crocodile, right over seaside. Fisherman
Beach, that's the name of it.
So that is our base.
Yeah.
So what I try to do now is,
You there.
yeah.
Who interested? Someone
No, we're not a money school, listen now.
Yeah, money, yeah.
In a money school,
Yeah.
where I try to teach them a different way to make money. And we have very good. Because we,
With ego,
with the young one them.
Ego.
Because them see the
18,
vision.
18.
Young, them see it. So you see the youth them do the squeegee thing. When we introduce it to them and we show them the products where them are going to sell, we come out of China. So they say if you can't beat the Chinese, man, we don't go around them.
Yeah.
Let's get the product and give it to them. Make them go sell it and make money, as opposed to them kill each other. So that is one way. We have other ways and them love it. So far, we're trying to find a way. Because as big men,
That's good.
as big men, it are gonna say there's no way.
Yeah.
It are gonna keep go down. But me not think so.
So we're negative, trust me.
Me I try. We start. I see the little youth them what we have. I'm excited. Because we teach them how to make money on YouTube. We teach them how to make money. You see a little lighter we have?
Yeah.
We don't have no gas. We get it from China.
Yeah.
And make them hustle that.
Of that.
Yeah, you see the shades them now for the driver. So
Yeah.
instead of just squeegee, now them are go have something for sale.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
You see me?
First, we start coming here something soft.
Eh? I mean, practicality.
Yeah.
It's been years we've been putting in place.
Because
You see, me is a Marcus Garvey kind of guy,
Yeah.
a Paul Bogle kind of guy.
Yeah.
So I believe in a Jamaica. Me change ghetto than I said we can't do nothing. You see me?
idea come up with,
It's a good idea. Wanna see me? Wanna see me? Good. We're going to run set.
You know, you buy things have that dream, you know?
Simple.
I think about you must build a college for young people that work in, and then the schools they put in the night, like a boot camp.
Yeah.
You know, when you go work, you know, trade and stuff, but when the schools, when the school they want like, alright, the best people on the road,
Yeah.
and I want the best clothes, and the best mood.
Yeah.
I was having fun with the planification, money when we did the idea, so I just have the money.
Gravy left. Me cook. Every day you make jerk pork? And what day you make the jerk pork?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
When you bite the pork, it push back up your teeth them. It's springy. So what do people like about your food? Which one of your food them love?
They love the beef chicken, the fried chicken, the pork, the fish, the stew, everything. They enjoy everything.
Oh, no make soup.
We do soup on Fridays.
What?
That's sell out.
What kind of soup?
Chicken foods with corn and pork.
Every day you make fish.
Every day we do fish. Every day fish. Every day chicken. We do curry mutton. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we do the pork and the beef between Monday and Wednesday.
And this is natural for the pork too?
Everything is natural. Everything is natural.
One time I did meet a restaurant and I think that them was the best. But because it says natural, to me, I know what I'm getting into, you know what I say? No MSG, I know some I get sick. Alright, now come up on the menu. Yes, I mean, the chicken drop, are they chef that?
She come Mr. Jacko, she assists.
Jacko cook all day. You still a cook for 24 years, brother? How you doing? I'm Randy. It's a pleasure to meet you. Candy your name? You're MoBay, from MoBay too?
Yeah.
You're not one of them bad gangster girls, right? You go to church? 2 kids? 3. Family lady? Married? Okay, good. You're good people. I don't want to touch no gangster people. Today's menu: stewed chicken, curry chicken, baked chicken, fried chicken, barbecue chicken, ackee and saltfish. So I cook breakfast too?
Yeah, man.
Macaroni and
saltfish. Start from the ackee and saltfish, macaroni and saltfish, cabbage and saltfish, cabbage, callaloo and saltfish, festival. We do kidney, we do liver. So the breakfast stop right here. So the lunch pick up now where you say the stew beef, stew pork,
Wow.
curried mutton, cow foot, with the oxtail and with the fish. And soup on Fridays.
I'm actually at the place. Do you understand how big this is?
You're not excited as I'm excited. Because I travel the world. I'm looking for this place. Jacko. Respect, man. More for see the sign. See that? Original Jacko's restaurant. See that? People, this is the place. This is the place. This is the place. Natural seasoning, you know, people. This is it. Alright. I'm very excited. From Vancouver to Miami, Jamaica, you name it. Kingston, the grill. Alright, so I'll be coming back to sit down and taste and eat everything. For going to some stars. As you can see, people, the fish gone. And you see the bone them? The meat drop off. I didn't have to struggle. So Miss Jacko, I'm Randy Pottinger.
Okay, Randy.
To the world.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah, man.
Alright?
Yeah.
Good job. Jamaica, good life right now.
We're at a place in MoBay right now. Nice bar and thing. Very, very nice place.
Jacko. I think so we get the want get the Jamaican mule. Right, want to try that? Yeah. Right, so try the money maker.
You want me to try the money maker?
Yeah,
Okay.
we switch it around. So right now, people, right now, we are Jamaica right now, and we have a drink, and this place is called what? I'm gonna get the money maker and the Jamaican mule. So I'll try this. The view nice.
Indeed.
It would be nice. We get a chair out there. So.
You've been to Margaritaville?
You know, I really haven't. I've never really been to Margaritaville. Next time we'll go.
Yeah.
To Margaritaville. Come have to check out. I have to act like a tourist, you know. I've been to. It's good to go to MoBay and see what it's all about. You know what I mean? Because it's a great vacation vibe, and I love this bar. Probably one of my new fave bar cause parking. You think it's a different? This different from the actual. So, brother, this place, I the name of the place this? And a coral cliff. So what is? Okay, got it. So okay, I still coral cliff. All right. I like the place. I love the layout.
People create things like these. They
Them one. Are them the how design with the mask them? But them they are real thing and look like Jamaican work. Look like a Jamaican work then? The one they look. Well, you know what she has said. She has said, you see them one there? Them one they look original African. True. Cause you know sometimes you see the craft in Jamaica, them speed it up fast. But when you go Africa and see them slow, them easy, and the dust upon it. Them when Jamaica look kinda touristy. The one that look good, man. Whoever did that, can you remember saying the Jamaicans them. Yeah, I was just about to say that. Because the Jamaican don't have the certain berries. So even though I'm straight out of Jamaica, them have some berry we don't have. But where you from? Where you from? St. James? Okay. And you love working here? Yeah man, say yeah man, positivity. Wow. So far. If you had your dream, what else you would be doing?
I like this place. You know, I like the place. But this is the first. You know, so this is the first bar where me feel like a black man. Everything is like alcohol. But just because of the mask, I feel welcome.
Why people don't do those stuff too? You know?
Eh? Yeah, it's nice and warm, you know? The way it's decorated with the... I don't really want too much rope, because rope hang people, you know what I say, but you know what I say. So where's the dream now? Travel and pilot, doctor, surgeon, what? Where's the gangster? What would you do? The cheddar. Just don't go down it yourself like you did that. Boom. So even though you're in Jamaica, people would never know, say a youth like you, what, 22, 25? You do your trading, Forex. Good, good. Too slow here. Euro. Good, good. So that means a couple of years from now, if you had a good investor who can invest in you, you could have some serious damage from right here. People, this is MoBay. This is where it all happens. And Waka interview. Gift supermarket. Island Dreamer. Island Dreamer. See it? This is what MoBay looks like, people. The sun is setting. Vibe. But they have a lot of undercover security here, you know. You see me? One thing them people don't understand now, enough undercover about the place, you know. MoBay people. Yes. That's my people. I learned it, you know. I learned it. Sun is setting. Jamaica culinary. Home. What's the guys out there end up on the job? First day? How is he doing? How is he doing on the job?
I'm going good so far.
Yes, people seem like. This is Jamaica good life. Just a wake up.
Hey, what? Oh. Guys.
Are you first delivery for the day?
No, I'm still here. I'm going to go here.
Eh? Okay. How's the drive? But you don't deliver to regular people, like personal people.
Yeah, man.
Give them your number.
309-4633.
From Jamaica Good Life. So the bull of them there. The guys are saying more spotlight you. You have ginger bulla, what else you have? Jaja, you ship a bull off her into?
Gizzard.
So the gizzard of them there.
6 Oh, yeah, I did. Whenever you're man. I look for the deal, you're man, good man. Good man, you're good one.
Yeah, man, man.
Yeah, man. What ginger ball? Ginger. 5 of them.
Okay. So time and patience you? And I'm mandable?
Yeah,
Senti. Okay, so them have time and patience here in MoBay. And this is from Senti to MoBay.
Yeah, man.
Alright, people seem like you have a new job now.
Yeah, sir. 5 of them, sir. Yeah, man, 5 of them. And ginger? Yeah. 5 ginger.
You know you eat off the bowl of them?
Oh, that's that?
Yeah.
No, sir, you used to it already.
You used to it already. Alright. Don't eat off the things them people say. Alright, Jamaica Good Life, sweet ya. Man, them have the thing, so if you don't ever need, you just call him. If you need stuff on the shop and thing, you have the number now. Alright. You come and say a van there, and I say, yo, you work at Gaza? And I say, no.
They say you work at Gaza. I look for your van on there.
So the white van there, I deal with the white, I have different things, you know, I have to show up different colors. People want to expect me in one color, I'm show up in a different color, you know. If you watch, you know, who I call you out of the road nowadays, you know.
Yes, so you have to know where you are.
Yeah. So see it there, Bim. Yeah, man. The Marlon in him. Alright, people, see him there. If you don't need bull and fire and ship out, him do it. Yes.
Wine slice. Wine slice. You get the third. You get the third.
Signing out. This is Gaza from the bus to the farm. No. Make sure the thing stick on no Gaza. What try you doing, brother? Put some muscle in the thing, brother.
Yeah, but muscle in it, you don't know what thing,
We don't want people go look on them. Check the price and the price drop off on thing. Look on Gaza, anybody work there?
Yeah, man, you know we always gonna sit down and have your out there down.
But wait till my mark and I lose the weight.
Yeah, like the lion pride.
Lion ready.
Yeah, I work.
Yeah, man. We send some for Marlon when the thing coming.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my back late for those because we are grow belly.
Yeah, you need to cleanse.
Yeah. Cleanse up your
Yeah, man.
thing,
Lose
but-
the weight. Don't look like no fat pig no more. We don't look like pig no more. Look like strong goat.
Yeah.
Alright. Like one other, sir. Boom. You see, the Gaza learn the
I
thing.
say now, you know, say just started this, but I look come up for now. I mean, I shot it. Shot it.
Wow.
I balance the same one.
No, I take my foot on.
So Senti, them nice.
Yeah, you chat yourself, then I get it for you.
Alright, give me one to try. Come here for advertising now. Alright. People, open this. This are the Gizzarda.
Yeah. The Bushman style.
This is Jamaica Good Life, Gizzarda from Marlon, and this is his company. If you're there Jamaica and you want to get Gizzarda for a party, anything, I want to shop, I bring back a foreign for sale, right?
Yeah, man.
Do you know the number again?
309 46 33.
Alright, Marlon. This is ready, man. A real thing. You're working for a real company, Gaza. I got some Gizzarda already. Yes, people. Every Jamaican is
All of them.
All of them. Respect.
Not the bullet.
Yeah, not the bullet. Everything.
This is first day on the job. We want to center those, Gaza.
Huh?
We want to center those. Alright.
I catch it right there. I catch it.
Never fit it, man.
So we're small and shot in the car, you know, like.
You have to lift up high and put down low. High, low. High, low. And just sit down and rub. It's not a rubbing thing.
No, sir. Well, this is not a rocket.
Yeah, rub up the bun there. With the sticker. People want to Gaza, eh?
No, it can't be funny side.
I can't on the side.
High, low. Drop it.
No.
There you go, man. Wipe it, you have to wipe it. Boom, boom, boom. High, low, wipe.
While I'm shoot them fast all over.
Up high, wipe. Boom, boom.
I catch it, man. I catch it, man.
Give him the sticker when he's in the car I drive. Stick it on the hand.
Who is that? You tell them to catch you fully.
Yeah, man, I'm making sit down and talk foolishness. Making practice. So when you stop,
No, you still get your man.
boom!
So catch it, man.
You know you shouldn't catch it. Yeah. That's what I talk about, yeah. How you feel the first day on the job?
Feel great.
Mm-hmm.
Sun hot, but feel great.
Good, man. On the road again.
On the road again.
I'm glad for sure, no. I'm glad for getting to know Marlon.
Yes, man.
And people see the Gizzarda them there. Nice. Jamaica Good Life. Look there. Sweetness. Yeah, man. The real thing, man. Business people in Jamaica never stop. It's always going, you know. Right now, them are delivered at the supermarket. How many routes? 5 routes? All over Jamaica?
All over. Still doing farming and stuff. Are you still in the farming thing?
In the farming too?
Yeah.
And you go to hunting?
Plant sweet potato and anything.
I'm near you.
You remember the video, when I said the video, man?
I'm near you, right?
No,
Live near
Newport
you?
side.
Newport side. Okay.
Yeah. You remember the video when they sent him?
I am.
Yeah.
I remember seeing face already.
Yeah, man. Remember they shot him?
I'm doing the thing.
Yeah.
Do the match.
Yeah.
People see that. Get the youth now stop. How the family's good?
Family's up, man.
Good job.
So we out there doing it down.
All right, do your thing. Get that money. Make sure you get paid, guys.